Hey, what's up, y'all? So again, I got a service on a 2003 LS 430 with a 4.3 liter V8. So today I'm going to be doing a differential service on it. Alright, so materials you're going to need are you're going to need a quart pump, one like this. Alright, picked it up at your local auto parts store. You're going to need a Torx, one of these wrenches. Alright, for this vehicle, mine requires full synthetic. Alright, and so I'm using Mobile 1 75 weight 90. Alright, and so I got 2 quarts. It only requires 1.3 quarts, which is why I gotta get 2. Alright, you're also gonna need a drain pan, and I already kind of started it, so just trying to catch up. Trash. Alright, so also what I ordered is from Amazon. Alright, is this part. It's a genuine Toyota gasket kit for transfer and differential service. Alright, so it came with these, alright, and I replaced one. So I'm going to use this one on the other bolt. Alright, this is the bottom bolt. Alright, so I'm going to take this and my rags. You're going to need some rags, as always. So you do want to make sure your vehicle is on a flat ground, okay? Alright, so as you can see, it's draining right there. That's the bottom bolt. Let me get in here a little more. Literally just doing this on the ground. I just have barely enough space to take care of this. Alright, so right now I took off both. The first one I took off was the one that's on top. You probably can't see it from there. There's the bottom one, and the top one is probably center video right now. Alright, but you'll be able to see it. So I took off the top one, and then I took off this bottom one that's dripping. That's to, I guess, drain all the fluid. Alright, so I'm probably going to let this sit for maybe a couple more minutes, and now I'm going to close up that one with my new gasket that I got, crush washer, followed by using that quart pump and a quart, and I'm going to start filling it up on the top bolt. Alright, well, when I say top, it's more so just to the right, and it's higher in elevation than the small one. Okay, so what is required is this Torx, and it's a T55 Torx. Okay, and this is all it really is. Alright, let me know if you got any questions. I'll probably post some photos to better show you what's going on under here.